Just old wounds and deeper scars, but I keep moving. Even when my soul feels weak, nobody hears the words I never speak. Working through the rain, trying to survive the pain. Heart so tired, but I still fight again. Working through the rain, nothing left for me to say. Still standing strong, even when I break. Boss keeps yelling, bills still rise. Fake smiles hiding sleepless nights. Mama said, don't lose your way. So I keep pushing every day. City lights and lonely trains, broken hopes and endless chains. Too poor to stop, too late to run. Still chasing light without the sun. And I keep breathing, even when the road gets cold. This hard life makes a young man old. Working through the rain, trying to survive the pain. Heart so tired, but I still fight again. Working through the rain, nothing left for me to say. Still standing strong, even when I break. Rain falling on my skin, but the storm lives deep within. One more night, one more scar, still walking through the dark. Working through the rain, carrying this heavy pain. No peace found, still I ride this train. Working through the rain, broken soul but still awake. Real life scars that nobody can fake. Yeah. Still walking, still fighting. Through the rain, no time, no time to heal. Life keeps moving. Wake up tired every day, still got debts I got to pay. Same old road, same hard fight, running circles every night. Back hurts from the overtime, still I'm chasing one more dime. People talk but never know how much pain a man can hold. Too many scars hidden behind my face. Too many dreams that life replaces. No time to heal, no time to breathe. This hard life keeps killing me. Still I run, Rain keeps falling on the street, cold wind moving to the beat. Late night smoke and tired eyes, another day just passing by. Mama praying I stay strong, but this road feels way too long. Trying hard not to lose control, while the city eats my soul. Too much pressure, too much weight, still fighting pain I cannot escape. No time to heal, no time to breathe. This hard life keeps killing me. Still I run, still I try, even when my soul runs dry. No time to heal, no time to rest. Every day feels like a test. Broken heart, empty hands, still surviving where I stand. Sometimes I smile just to hide the pain. Sometimes I laugh while drowning in rain. But deep inside, I'm losing light, still working through another night. No time to heal, no time to pray, still fighting demons every day. One more scar, one more fall, still I answer duty's call. No time to heal, but I survive. Somehow I'm still alive. Still alive, still breathing, still fighting. Yeah, still breathing, even when life gets cold. Sun goes down, I'm still awake, carrying pain I cannot shake. Old backpack and weary shoes, another day with nothing new. Street lights glowing in the rain, every step feels filled with strain. Too much pressure on my mind, still no peace that I can find. But I won't fall, even when the road gets rough. This hard life already hurt enough. Broken but breathing, still trying to stand, holding my world with these two hands. Broken but breathing, still fighting the storm. This cold life made my heart warm. People change when money dies, fake love covered in disguise. Late night train and empty bars, dreams fading beneath the stars. Mama said hold on my son, but this war ain't never done. Still I walk through smoke and pain, trying not to drown again. And I stay strong, even when my soul feels weak. No one hears the pain I keep. Broken but breathing, still trying to stand, holding my world with these two hands. Broken but breathing, still fighting the storm. This cold life made my heart warm. this endless fight. But I know deep inside I was born to survive. Broken but breathing, still chasing the light, walking alone through another night. Broken but breathing, no matter the pain, I keep moving through the rain. Still breathing, still moving, still alive. Midnight, still outside, still surviving. Midnight train keeps rolling slow, cold wind through the broken road. Another shift, another scar, still chasing dreams too far. Smoke rising to the sky, tired soul but still alive. Heavy mind and empty bed, too many thoughts inside my head. Nobody knows the battles that I hide. Still moving on with pain I keep inside. I'm a late night survivor, walking through the fire, still standing tall, even when I'm tired. Late night survivor, soul getting darker, but I keep fighting, getting harder and harder. Harder. Street lights shining on the rain, old guitar crying out my pain. People sleeping warm at home while I keep walking all alone. Bills keep knocking at my door, still I hustle even more. Life gets cold and nights get long, only reggae keeps me strong. And I won't break, even when the pressure grows. This hard road is the only life I know. I'm a late night survivor, walking through the fire, still standing tall, even when I'm tired. Late night survivor, soul getting darker, but I keep fighting, getting harder and harder. Rain keeps falling, but I still move. Lost so much, still got something to prove. One more night, one more pain, still alive inside the rain. Late night survivor, still carrying scars, trying to heal beneath these stars. Late night survivor, never giving in. This hard Some scars never fade, still carrying pain. Morning comes but I feel numb, another battle just begun. Same old jacket, same hard road, still carrying this heavy load. People smile and pass me by, but they never see inside. All the wounds I try to hide, all the tears I keep denying. This cold world turned my heart to stone. Too many nights fighting all alone, still carrying pain, walking through the storm again, trying to smile while drowning in the rain. Still carrying pain, nothing left for me to say, but I keep moving like a slave inside this game. Late night shadows call my name, every day feels just the same. Empty pockets, tired soul, life keeps taking all control. Mama told me don't lose faith, but this pressure suffocates. Still I hustle through the night, searching for a better life. Too much weight inside my chest, no peace found, no time to rest. Still carrying pain, walking through the storm again, trying to smile while drowning in the rain. Still carrying pain, nothing left for me to say, but I keep moving like a slave inside this game. Rain falling on these city lights, another lonely sleepless night. But deep inside, a fire remains even through the endless pain. Still carrying pain, but I refuse to fall away. This hard life couldn't kill my faith. Still carrying pain, still surviving every day. Broken soul, but I